Good night. My name is Edwin Amado. I am 37 years old. I am study in the University of NAT. I study business administration. I like hamburgers, Italian food, and dislike spicy food. Today I am speak about my neighborhood. Is in Ciudad Bolívar. My neighborhood is San Francisco. In my neighborhood, you can to take Transmicable. You can know new neighborhoods in the south of Bogota, and also you can to know part of tunnel. In the park, you can walk and also you can ride bicycle. Also you can practice jo- jogging. Uh, Several exercises you can to do. Mm, Finally, you can know the mall tunnel. Uh, you should to see a thing in the mall. Thank you.